Hey everyone, in this demo, I'll show you how to upload AR invoices in Tofu and see how they automatically sync with Xero in real time. Let's get started. First, let's make sure AR invoices are enabled. Let's go to the Entity Settings, Features, and under Document Extraction Types, make sure AR Invoices turned on. And take note, only the organization owner can enable this, so if you don't see the toggle, just ask them to turn it on for you. And once it's enabled, Tofu will automatically extract all key invoice details, like the customer's information, invoice numbers, dates, amounts, line items, and tax. Next, let's set up your Xero configuration settings. Let's go to Integrations, select Xero, and I have already tried linking my Xero account to Tofu. Let's select an organization here, Jessica. And as you can see, we have here two sections, AP bills and AR invoices. For now, I'll focus with AR invoices, and I would recommend for you to turn on everything, while for invoice status, it depends on your team workflow. But for me, let me just select Awaiting Approval and click on Self-Prompt, then click Activate. If you're an existing entity and don't see Self-Prompt, for example, let me go back to Integrations. Select Xero, and as you can see from here, there's no more option for Self-Prompt. So what you need to do is to go to Knowledge Base, select on this drop-down AP bills to AR invoices, and click on Self-Prompt. With all recommended settings turned on, Tofie keeps your Xero data clean and sync without manual edits. Now let's upload an invoice. You can upload manually or connect a cloud storage integration like Google Drive. For example, the AP bill that's showing here. So you can also map a specific folder in Google Drive, just like for AR invoices. Let me show you. Click Settings, Integrations, Google Drive. I have a folder here for my AP bill. You can add another folder specific for your AR invoices, and then enter here the folder path, and then click Save. So anything that you drop into that folder will sync automatically into Tofu, but for this demo, I want to upload an AR invoice manually. Let's go back to Source Document, click on the Upload icon to upload a document, and under Extraction Type, make sure Accounts Receivable Invoice is selected. Click here to select your file, then proceed to Upload Document. Once the invoice is uploaded, let's go to the Extraction column and review the details. So you can check here the invoice number, reference, due date, the line item, and if you need to make any changes, you can do it here directly in Tofu. Once everything is okay, you can proceed to click on Verify. But for this example, let's quickly check the two-way sync with Xero. So on this invoice, I'll try to add an item here. Let me just use wedding events for all, or just for the first two lines. And I will also try selecting sales. Then click Save Draft. Once that's done, let's try tracking it on Xero if the changes has been reflected. Let's go to Xero. So as you can see, the account type has been updated to sales, and the item type we have added wedding events. Now let's also try making a change in Xero and check back on Tofu if the same change had also reflected. Let me just go for the invoice number. I'm going to add test, proceed to save and close, and let's go check back on Tofu. And as you can see, the invoice number has also been updated. So with Auto Publish and Auto Import turned on, you need to update an invoice once, either in Tofu or in Xero. Lastly, let's train Tofie so your AR invoices always follow your rules. Click on Tofie. On the knowledge type, make sure to select AR invoices. And I want my invoice number to start with 2025-1. So I'll put that here. And then you can click on Generate. Now Tofie will automatically apply this rule to every AR invoice. Let's try re-extracting the same invoice we uploaded earlier, so we can see if there will be 2025-1 before the invoice number. And voila! You'll see the invoice number is now starting with 2025-1. And that's it! Your AR invoices are now uploaded in Tofu and sync with Xero automatically. Super easy, right? Thanks for watching.